I mean, it's been day after day of those showers.
And we've got storms coming later on today?
Yeah, more rain on the way. A couple of showers out there right now, but more storms, or really proper storms, later on this afternoon. Let me take you up to Bethlehem this afternoon. One of the areas that picked up a ton of rain yesterday. Some places receiving 2 to 4 inches of rain. In fact, the most rain that we saw yesterday was in northern Delaware. Now, we're not going to see as widespread of the severe weather as we did yesterday, but I do think we're going to see the chance for some stronger storms. Those storms will begin to develop as we head through the rest of the afternoon. They'll start to roll in from the west, and then they'll move across the region through the second part of the afternoon into this evening. One thing to watch for, damaging winds. That's going to come with some of the stronger storms, but any shower that pops up, I don't want to say storm, any shower that pops up is going to drop some rain over places that have already picked up a lot of rain over the last couple of days. So we could see some flooding as a result. Now, again, I don't think it's going to be as intense as widespread as yesterday, but I still think the potential is there for a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings or maybe some flash flood warnings. And here's why. We've already seen today nearly an inch of rain in Philadelphia. Wilmington, you've picked up an inch of rain so far. This is on top of all the rain that we got yesterday, and I do think we see some more pockets of heavy rain as we head through the second half of our Tuesday. There is a flood watch in effect for all of our Philadelphia, or rather all of our Pennsylvania counties, also northern Delaware, Newcastle County, including Mercer County in New Jersey. So several of us, our ground's already saturated, our streams, our creeks, our rivers are already starting to rise. So yeah, anything that falls from the sky is going to continue to allow those to rise. Right now, just a few very isolated showers moving through the Philly area. A lot of that rain actually already beginning to dissipate, and then more showers and thunderstorms spinning through central Pennsylvania and then moving into the Lehigh Valley and the Pocono. So that's the area that we're going to watch. We do have a marginal risk for severe weather today. That's a 1 on that scale of 0 to 5, whereas yesterday we had an enhanced risk, which is a 3 on that scale of 0 to 5. So again, not as great of a risk of severe weather as yesterday, but still a few of them could be strong. Let me show you the latest forecast model here. Here they go, right along that cold front. We'll start to see them pop up and then propagate their way to the east as we head through the evening. I think around 5, 6, 7 o'clock, they'll be moving through the immediate Philadelphia area, right through the Delaware Valley, and then into South Jersey as we make our way into the first half of the overnight. By midnight, most of the rain tapers off. Skies begin to clear, and the week continues to gradually get better. So we'll be improving these conditions as we head through the rest of the week. Still a very small chance for an isolated shower tomorrow. Thursday is the pick of the week. Highs near 84 degrees. Into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we'll bring back a chance for some scattered showers and storms. Severe weather doesn't look likely, with temperatures back in the middle 80s. For now, Jim, back over to you.
Thank you, Grant.